We go. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, today we are playing Listen to the Music by the Doobie Brothers. We've got 3 parts to this song that we're going to learn. We've got a verse section, we've got a chorus, and we've got a bridge. So let's start in with this verse section. So we're going to start by playing an E chord. So this is kind of based off of our A-shaped bar chord. But we're going to actually take our first finger and bar the 9th fret, just 5th, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string. We don't want to play that 1st string or the 6th string. You can play the 6th string open if you want. But that would sound good if you're playing by yourself. But otherwise, we're going to keep it muted. So we are going to hammer on our 3rd finger onto the 11th fret. So we've got our 9th fret barred. So our first finger is barred on the 9th fret. And we are going to hammer our 3rd finger onto the 11th fret, 5th string. This is the first chord. Get used to this. We're going to hammer on, and we're also going to pull off this chord. So kind of just get used to that 3rd finger hammering on, pulling off. And then we're going to slide our first finger down, keep it on the 9th fret, but just on the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string. And then we're going to hammer on our 3rd finger onto the 4th string, 11th fret, and our 2nd finger onto the 10th fret, 2nd string. And we're going to hammer on and pull those off as well. So get used to that. These chords sound really good whenever you get good at hammering on and pulling those off. They're really fun to add in. Okay, so the strumming pattern is pretty difficult. We are strumming 16th notes throughout the song. So think 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a so on. So that's what down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, so I'm going to break this down. The strumming pattern goes like this. It's going to be 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a... Okay, so we do a hammer on the 1 E, so 1 E and a 2 E and a... So that's our next hammer on. 3 E and 4 E, we do a pull off. So 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E. And then the next measure we do the same thing, except we're going to switch chords on the and of 2. So 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and one more time. So the second measure is 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and okay. So take your time practicing that. You got to get that foundation to be able to play this. So let's go up to speed now. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, so for the verse, we do that. Those 3 measures, we do 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a E and a 2 E and a 3 E. Then we go to a C sharp minor chord. So the C sharp minor chord is our E minor shaped bar chord, starting on we're barring the 9th fret. And then we're going to go down to a B chord. So this is our E major shape, so add in your 2nd finger. And then we're going to go down to an A major. So same thing as your B, just slide it down 2 frets to the 5th fret. And then we're also going to throw in an A7 sus4 where we lift our pinky up and move it down 1 string. And then we go back to our intro verse riff. Let's do the whole verse section, adding in those chords, okay? So here we go. 1, 2, ready. Here's the 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2 switch and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a now here's the C sharp minor. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a B. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a A7 sus. Back to A. Now we go into the next verse. So that strumming pattern for those chords is down, up, 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 down, up. So one more time, just those verse chords. Down, up, 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 down, up. And I'm doing a lot of muting with my left hand. So down, up, down. So down, up, mute with my left hand by just releasing those fingers. So down, up, down. So down, up, release, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Release, release. Back to the verse. Okay, the chorus section. The chorus section, we're just playing a C sharp minor chord that we've already played, down to an A chord, back to a C sharp minor, A. We do that one more time, C sharp minor, to an A, and then an F sharp, back to an A. Okay, but the strumming pattern is a little funky. We're gonna switch it up a little bit. It's gonna be 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and, or it's gonna be, we're actually not hitting on beat 1, so it's gonna be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 1, down, 2, up, down, up, down, up, down, 1, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So notice I'm keeping my strumming hand moving throughout this whole thing. Here we go, up to speed. 1, 2, ready. Oh, oh, listen to the music. Oh, oh, listen to the music. Back to the A. Here's the F sharp. Now I play the A. Now A7 sus4. Back to the intro. Okay, so the only other thing we need to learn is the bridge section, and we're going to be using the same E chord that we started the song with that hammer on. So we're going to just strum it once. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Just gets 4 beats like that. And then we're going to slide all these fingers down to the 7th fret and do the same thing. So we've got the same pattern. And then we're going to go to an A chord. And back to an E. So it's just a 4 bar progression that we do twice. It's just E, 2, 3, 4 to D, 2, 3, 4 to A, to back to E. So there's some fun stuff you can throw in. You can add in some more hammer-ons. So any on the E chord, you can throw in your hammer on the 5th, 4th, or 3rd string. So on the 11th fret. Back to the E. Here's that bridge one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. A, 2, 3, back to E. 2, again, repeat. 1, 2, D, A, back to E. Let me go into the chorus. Oh, 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 listen to the music. And it repeats the chorus at the end a bunch of times. Oh, all right, and that is Listen to the Music by the Doobie Brothers. Hope you enjoy playing this one.